Just bought a dog from a blacksmith. As soon as I got him home, he made a bolt for the door. How do you make a water bed bouncier? Use spring water. I said to my sister, "Did you know there's a computer currently calculating all the digits of pi?" She asked, "When did it start?" I told her at 3. This was an actual conversation me and my sister had, lol. Due to the pandemic, I have been telling inside jokes only. How did the hacker escape the police? He just ransomware. Did you hear about the man who fell into an upholstery machine? He's fully recovered. It's 2021. Why are people still using Apple computers? They're definitely not PC. I'm Bob Jeffy. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. This podcast was generated using AutoGen podcast technology from Classic Studios. These lame, groan-inducing jokes were sourced from the Dad Joke subreddit from reddit.com. See the podcast show notes page for joke credits and check out our daily dad joke app on Android.